So coming to day 3, today we are going to see today's HackerRank questions. In this we'll just see first the questions here. So our first question is marks calculator, right? Now in this, what we need to do is we need to take input of marks, maths, science and English, and then we have to find total marks and then average, then percentage with 2 decimal places. Now our input would be like your marks and output should be its sum, which we call total, and then average. Sum by observation means this by 240 by 3, okay, and then similarly percentage means total by 300 into 100. We know it's simple. Now for this, if we come to code, first we'll take marks input, okay. First we'll write variable math, science and then English, then it's integer, it's data type, okay, it's int, we'll write its data type, then input, then enter the marks of mathematics. Similarly integer, then input, then enter the marks of science. This I made to make you clear that I'm entering those marks. And similarly for English, integer, and then again input, then again enter the marks, okay. Then total is sum of these all subjects, we'll add these all variables. Then average is total by 3. We know in division we keep 2 slashes for division, okay. Average is this, and for percentage we'll do total by 300 into 100. Now if we want to print the total, then it's like write it in comment. It's not actually comment, it is like print statement. It will get also printed with our output, which is total, which we store that value here, okay. And similarly average, from here the average will come to this place, and again percent, from here the percent will come to this place, okay. Now Python, now for running it we'll keep Python code 1.py, okay. And for example I'm just giving 90, you can see, but here comes a little variation which they ask, right? In this question they ask it to print up to 2 decimal values, like they don't want 1 decimal value, I guess. So for printing 2 decimal value we need to use some curly braces, and inside that we need to keep something like is to dot c. It is like kind of formatting, number formatting kind of. It is a kind of number formatting in which you're gonna format it in this way, okay. And this is your percent. Before that, what I will keep is this curly braces, and then is to dot 2f means up to 2 floating points, okay. It will take value and percentage. This should be in your comments, okay. And this should be your comma, okay. Now check it. Now you will see that there are 2 values you can see here, okay. There will be dot format, okay. Now again we'll check it. .py, same, we got 2 decimal values. I hope this difference is clear. Here we have just formatted, we have told it, just gave it instruction that take 2 decimal values. Now coming to its second question. Now what is its second question is write a program to build simple calculator, like if I'll keep plus, if I'll keep minus, then it should subtract. If I'll keep multiplication, it should multiply. Similarly if I'll keep this division, then it should divide. So for this again come here, So here I took a integer input, b, I took input here, and then operator. I have to also take operator because it's my wish if I want to perform addition, subtraction, division, whatever I want. So if it is addition, it will print here. If I choose multiplication, then it will go here and print here a into b. If I choose division, it will print. If b equal to 0, we can't divide because if denominator is 0, division can't be performed. If I choose something like @ which is not at all operator, right, then it should print invalid. Okay, now running this Python, it's cal.py. Now we can check here, it's 1, for example 2. If I want to perform addition, see, I'm getting 3. That's simple. Okay, now coming to your third question here, what did they ask is we need to print the data type. Okay, we need to identify x in Python, possible integer float, and then single line input, and then we have to take, it could be either input integer, a float, or string. Then we need to give output. Okay, put length 100, use variables, data types, type, for example it's 25, then it should be integer. Then this should be float. Okay, hello, if I'm giving input hello, then output should be string. If I'm giving 0, then it should be int. Similarly like this. Okay, and let us start with it. I took an input x, enter a value, and similarly if type of x equal to integer, then it should print int. Okay, type means it will check its data type. Okay, and similarly type of x equal to float, then it will print float. If its type is equal to string, then it will print string. Okay, as simple as that. Now Python datas.py. Okay, hello, I have just skipped. See, it is string, means it's a sentence. Okay, so what I did, I took an input. I didn't mention data type because I'm finding the data type. Okay, if its data type is equal to integer, then it should print int. If its data type is float, then it should print float, and its data type is string, then it should print string. That's it, and you are done with it. Now we are going to end this session. It's like completed.